Okay, so guys, we've come to the rainforest, which doesn't sound like it's got anything to do with the reef, but there are similarities in the sense that it's a phenomenal ecosystem with incredible biodiversity, but it's also one which goes through cycles of, crashing and the rest of it, not as often as a reef. So if you looked at some of this rainforest, 10, 15, 25 years ago, it would have been completely smashed by a cyclone, and you get that regeneration. Same on the reef, except the cycling tends to be more rapid. So a lot of the Australian ecosystems go through this, the crash and the regrowth. And if it keeps on recovering brilliantly after those natural crashes, then you've got a very resilient, healthy ecosystem. And this is about as resilient and healthy ecosystem as anywhere in the world, here in the rainforest. And I would argue similarly with the Great Barrier Reef.